What is that?
A bee.
Whoa. Don't beat him up.
No, oh, there's a kitty. Oh.
Oh my gosh, we did find a kitty. Again.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh. Hey! Kitty?
He wants you to pet him. What's his name?
Kitty.
Be really nice. Wow, what a cute cat. Kitty.